Hi friends, choosing a perfect WordPress theme for your project is always a challenging task. WP Themes makes it possible and easier for you. And if you have decided to develop a website for your web hosting company, this video is for you only. So today I have a very wonderful theme for a web hosting company or firm or for web hosting services. The theme is Hostinza. Hostinza is dedicatedly made for Isometric domain and WHMCS web hosting services. So it is fully focused on the only one services, that is web hosting services, and since it is centrally focused, so it is a dedicated theme, you can say. Hostinza was developed by the X-Speed Studio. They are elite authors, and it was initially developed in 2018 and regular updates is also being done. So we can take a look of the Hostinza main demo. This is the main demo. However, multiple home pages are available in this theme. So there are in fact 11-12 home pages available. You can choose any as per your needs. This is the main layout of Hostinza WordPress theme, and you can take inner page look as well. These are the inner page, and of course it is a wonderful theme. So this is the domain search feature. If you are selling domain as well along with your hosting services, you can connect the domain search feature at your website, and this is why chooses the pricing section, what pricing you are offering for your web hosting services and what type of web hosting services you are offering, the best hosting solution, and something about your services. This is the USPs section. You can showcase your USP here, and this is about your servers and cloud solution. This is client feedbacks, that is testimonials, and these are the blog, and this is the footer. So everything is here on this theme for your web hosting company or services. So it is a good catch for you, and we will today install this Hostinza at press with WordPress installation, and I got all new 2021 theme installed at this WordPress installation, and I have theme pack as well. So in the theme pack I got documentation, licensing, plugins. So this is the plugins available with the theme, and the theme main files, main and child file, and this is WHMCS portal extra optional to bridge the login system with the WHMCS plugin. So we can start the installation process now. For that we need to go in the theme section of WordPress installation, add new, upload theme, choose file, and so the themes you need to choose the hostinza.zip, and if you have direct access on your server, you should have that. You can directly upload the same in WP content themes folder. choose the file, hostinza.zip. It is the lightweight theme, so it will not take much time. It is just 7.44 MB in size, so that can be, yes. So upon upload we can extract hostinza.zip, and we got all the theme files and folders here in the Hostinza folder, so we can delete rest of unnecessary file folders here. So hostinza.zip is also not required now. Now come to the WordPress panel and theme section. We have now Hostinza as a theme option, so we can check the details. So Hostinza, it is Hostinza version 2.6, Hostinza Isometric web hosting domain, WHMCS hosting WordPress theme. We can activate it now. Upon activation, alert comes to install the necessary plugins, so we will do that. Begin installing plugins. These are the list of plugins which are required. So it is based, theme is made on the Elementor, the latest page builder, and this is a good feature. And the framework is Unison. This is also very wonderful framework for WordPress development. So we can do it one by one, or we will select most of them for installing in one go. So framework I am leaving for the time being. I am leaving at this instance two plugins, Unison framework and WHMCS Bridge. I'll do it next. Hit yes. I'm just installing. It may take a bit time because there are multiple plugins to be installed. All are installed now. So installation and activation have completed. It got landed on the welcome page of Elementor. We need to return back in the installed required plugin set. So still 2 is remaining, so framework is necessary now, so I'm just installing it. And Unison framework needs some extensions as well, so we will do it. WHMCS Bridge we can install now. So all the plugins and themes, theme and plugins has been installed now. So we can take a look of website, how it looks with the theme now. So this is the look of website without any demo content. So definitely we need to go for the demo content, import and installation. So next is the importing of demo content and installation, that is installation of demo content. So in Unison framework there is a extension called demo. I will show you first. Yes, this is backup and demo content. It should be installed and activated before you go for the importing demo. In this theme it has been done automatically, but in case it is not, extension is not added or activated, you need to do this, but in this case it has been done. So for if any theme is using Unison framework, the demo content option comes in tools section. So this is the option under tools, demo content install. We'll go in that, and here are the demo website available in this theme. So home 1 to 6, 7, 8 and home 9, 10, 11. So we will install the default one. Just click on install. OK, and progress bar is running here. And the best thing is Unison framework that demo content import or installation never gets failed, and it shows everything with the progress bar what is going on during the installation process. So you need not worry, need not do anything, just wait and watch. And it will also resize the images. It will definitely take a bit time, but it is for sure that your website is getting ready according to the framework requirements. So you can see the database restore and everything is going on. Just wait, don't try to refresh this page or leave this page. You have to wait here. Once it gets imported and installed, it will redirect you to the home page automatically, and this is going on. And yes, this is our website, and you can see we have done every part of it, and we have the website as we seen in the demo. Everything is functional here, and your website is ready for the original content, putting up original content. So this is wonderful theme, and you have multiple homepage options as well. You have demo search box, domain search box as well, so you can check the demo, it is working or what. This is the feature available, is available. So we need to connect the API and all such things. So this can be another activity during the customization of website and development of website, but everything is ready for you here. So inner pages is also very good and wonderfully designed. So maybe some pages not available, but it does not matters. Oh, I just click on the okay, let me check the pages first. So okay, database updation was required, so we have done this. So WHMCS Bridge is installed with this theme. So which control panel is here? Definitely we need to go in the settings of these functionalities, and there are multiple settings. If you are in web hosting services, you must be aware about all such activities. So we simply hit on save setting for the time being, and it will install the WHMCS bridge on the default setting. Rest you can do at your own. So we will take a look of available pages with the demo content. Yes, all pages are here. So we can check another home page. So home 5 we can check just randomly. This is the home 5, and as we installed home 1 to 6, so we can choose any of them for our home page. And as the home page 1 we were watching about the pages, now we can check the pages. That time the database updation was pending, this is why the page was not working. Now it is working fine, and this has been done perfectly without any error or bug. So just keep in mind, there are images may be copyrighted, you need to use your own images. However, you can use vector images, there is no restriction, there should not be any restriction on that. These are the vector images available in the theme. So vector is always available to you to reuse that. And these are the GIF animations. The GIF animations is also here for further utilization, so you need not work too much on the image portion of this website. Now we can take a look of the theme panel and the WordPress panel, what additionally we got with this theme here. So framework unison is here, you need not to do anything here. Mega menu you can handle, mega menu is additional option. So contact form, WP domain checker, we can have a look. So this is additional feature in this theme because it is related to that service. So it is these are the settings, domain checker settings we can here, and who is updated. Under setting, WHMCS Bridge is also here, so you can set the required elements here. And definitely you need to make perfect setting for WHMCS to work better and work perfectly. So here is the demo only. So you can check with your own service provider what you are going to integrate, and everything is here, so you can choose any option for this. So today our website is ready for the hosting service and related services. If you got any problem in installing or importing demo of this theme, or you may have some questions regarding this theme, so don't hesitate in asking in the comment section of this video, and the connected website with this video I will definitely give you the link in the description section. And also don't forget to subscribe this channel because I used to bring wonderful themes, plugins and utilities for you. Keep watching. Thank you very much.